Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to change the settings on Bosch 800 series dishwasher. Option menu, delay start and the drying. So firstly you can change the wash cycle. Open the dishwasher door, press the on and off button to turn it on, press the cycle button, the auto normal or heavy until your preferred cycle light up. Then close the door and press the start button. The next step, sorry, now we see adjust washed option like extra dry, sanitizer, etc. So firstly you can turn on the dishwasher, select your wash cycle first, press the option button like extra dry, sanitize or half load, then the light will turn on to confirm it's selected and press start and close the door. Next one, we will see change delay start time. Turn on the dishwasher, select your wash cycle and then press the delay button until you see the hours you want, like 3 hours, 6 hours or 9, and press start and close the door. Goodbye.